Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start our next chapter, that is human environment interactions, the tropical and the subtropical region. As the name suggests in the chapter, what we are going to be discuss human environment interaction towards the nature in the tropical region and the subtropical region. So the question arises, what do you mean by the tropical? The area between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is known as tropical region, and the subtropical region near to the tropics means 5 degree 10 degree above the tropic is considered to be the subtropical region. In this chapter we are going to be discuss the main areas of the tropical as well as will compare with the subtropical region. This chapter has been begun with the help of a short story. So let us start the chapter. Renuka was excited. Renuka is the name of a character, and she was very excited. For what she was excited? Shrikant's uncle was home after a gap of nearly 4 months. Now, who was the Shrikant? Shrikant was a wildlife photographer. So he came after 4 months. He was a wildlife photographer and traveled widely. Renuka's interest in the wildlife and forest began at an early age because she was very much interested to learn about these things. When her uncle introduced her to books on nature, the pictures of distant land means faraway lands, and people who lived there always fascinated her. She was very attracted toward those people. So this was the one of the picture that Shrikant uncle has showed to the Renuka. So what you can see in this picture, different culture, different type of people, different type of way of wearing, all these things are different. In our India, there are a lot of varieties, but when we compare towards the whole world, there are so much variety on this earth. So we have to discuss and describe with the help of these stories. In these pictures, Renuka, you can see people from different parts of the world. Some dry deserts, some frozen lands. Frozen land means polar areas. Some from hot and wet rainforest. So that is the tropical area. They look so different from me. Observed Renuka. Okay, you can compare with yourselves. So they are so different. Their way, their culture, their eyes, their color, everything that has been very different. They may look different, but they share the same basic needs of life. But everyone, the basic needs of our life is food, clothing, and shelter. Explained Shrikant uncle. The children do the same things as you probably do. They also enjoyed playing games, quarrel sometimes, and then make up, sing, dance, and help the families with various things because we are the human beings. Almost the basic nature of the human beings are the same that need to be done. They live closer to the nature. So they have took the photographs of the wildlife. So they show different tribes also. They are very near to the nature. And very early in their lives have learned to care for the nature. They learn how to catch fish, how to collect material from the forest because their livelihood depends upon the forest. So in the coming chapters, we will discuss about different natural regions of the world. So first we are taking the example of the life in the Amazon basin. As the name suggests, Amazon is the online shopping base. You are very much familiar with the Amazon. But Amazon is the name of a river. It is the world's largest river basin. What do you mean by basin? The area which is drained by a river, that is considered to be a basin. Before learning about the Amazon basin, let us look at the map of the figure 8.2. You should see this map very carefully. This is the map of South America, and you can see the blue color. What it shows? This is the Amazon basin. Amazon basin along with its tribute.